Hi everyone, this is Chuo.
And this is Kah Yeek here.
Today we are going to present about a project that we have done during our internship in Innov8tif.
So the project we had done is called eKYC web app. So basically, eKYC is electronic know your customer, and it is a remote paperless process that minimizes the cost and the traditional bureaucracy necessary in KYC processes.
Now I will move on to our demonstration of the app. Here you can see is my font. I will start the project and I will type in my name. I can put in Chuo and then I can put in an email. Then I can click submit so I can start doing my IC verification. I can I position my ID in the frame and then I click capture. Then it will be sent to the back end for processing and it will verify if it's like true or not. Here you can see there's some notification showing that it's done. Then it's going to the back. So we turn it to the back and then we can capture it again. Then here comes the face. We need to position our face in the frame and then click capture. After that is done, it will have a list of summary. Let's invite Guide to interpret it for us.
All right, so basically, user info just shows what we enter for name and email just now, and the liveness means that it can detect whether the photo taken just now is a real person or it is taken from a printed photo. The similarity represents the similarity confidence between the face and the face on the ID. So the landmark analysis result shows that whether the ID is a valid ID or not, but by looking at various landmarks such as the IC header, MyCard logo, flag, and etc. So the MyCard font checking result will also check if the MyCard is valid by checking its font. All right, so next, microprint score. Basically, normal ID has a microprint on it, while a printer ID will not have a microprint on it. So if you use a printed ID, the microprint score will be very low from 0 to 1. So next is ghost photo comparison. So there is a ghost photo shadow beside the main photo on our ID. It will check whether the photo is valid or not and give it some scores. So the next one is my cup type. It will identify the IC as new IC or the old IC. We also have a lemma analysis result for our back of our ID. So it will look at these landmarks and give it responding scores and determine whether it passed or not. Finally, we reach the OCR result, which is the data we read from the ID card. So we have the uh, state code, the document number, and date of birth, nationality, sex, and address and names. So I think that is all for the summary of the result. So if you notice here, we have a restart button here. So if you press it, we can restart the whole process again. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Guy for the summary just now. Let's move on to how it's built. First, we use Vite and React for our front end to quickly scaffold our project, and we use Node.js and Express for our back end.
We also think that there are some possible improvements that can be done on this project. So firstly, we can improve picture quality to have higher accuracy. This is because that we notice in our trials and experiments, sometimes the information extracted from the ID is not very accurate. You have to try it to capture a few times to get the information correct. Besides that, we think that we can add a database for saving user data as a proof of concept as we will encounter database in the future. Thirdly, we think that we can add auto capture feature when target is in frame so that the user doesn't have to click the capture button themselves.
Last but not least, we would like to show our gratitude to Tien Ping from Innov8tif for his guidance throughout this internship period, and also a big shout out to YC and Hazim from Innov8tif for briefing us and providing us a chance to try out their API. Thank you everyone for watching, and I wish you have a great day.
Yes, thank you. Bye bye.